Mommy's in hysterics here. Mommy's on hysterics here because Emily's crashed the car.
The door's stuck on the chair. The door's stuck. Let's see, Heather. Heather, step on the gas.
Oh my God, we're ready.
She ran over upwards.
Oh, I didn't.
Go ahead, Heather. Go ahead. Heather, step on the gas. Hold on to the steering wheel.
Hold on the steering wheel, Heather.
Put your glasses down.
Oh my God.
Hurry up. Come see Mommy. Step on the gas.
Okay, I'm trying to get these stuck.
Step on the gas, Heather.
Go ahead, Heather. Oh, you want... Watch the door. Careful.
She wants Jennifer to get in with her.
Isn't that nice? Doesn't want to leave her sister hanging.
I'm coming. Gee.
Forward? Yes,
Yeah.
forward.
What?
There's only one can ride it at a time when you go outside.
Oh, okay.
Well, you can ride together in here if you want. Alright, you gonna drive with that box here? That box. Alright, is it going forward? Come on, Heather, hold
Go on,
the
Heather.
steering wheel.
Hold the steering wheel, step on the gas.
Come on, take it for a ride.
Here, I'll get it.
Take your foot off the gas. Take your foot off the gas. Jeez. Oh boy.
Alright, you wanna go backwards? Watch your foot, Jennifer, this will remind of your feet.
Here.
Go backwards.
Is it backwards now? No, it's forward. Oh.
Go backwards. Go ahead, step on the gas.
Take your foot off the gas when you want to stop.
Go ahead. Put your foot on the gas and then take it off. Go ahead. It'll make you go. What's Jennifer doing? Jennifer's trying to get everything out of the way. Don't kick it, Jennifer.
Bye. Go ahead. A telephone in the car too. A telephone.
Where's the telephone? Hey, a telephone.
Yeah, it works. Heather, you gonna drive?
It's my turn to get out by myself. That's it. My turn to get out.
Hey, Jennifer,
No.
don't slam the doors. You're gonna break it. Goodness, let's be careful with this.
Okay, Heather?
Okay, you ready? See you later. Just remember to stop when you get back that far. Come on, go back to the store and get cheese. Go back to the store and get some milk.
Put your foot on the gas. Put your foot on the gas. Go ahead.
I got the box.
Put your foot on the gas, Heather.
No, wait, I got the box.
Go ahead, step on the gas.
I got the box.
Heather, step on the gas.